Hi folks, this is Will from the American Association of Young Numismatists, and what I'm going to talk to you about today is gold nuggets, which are a very collectible type of mineral specimen, kind of tied in with numismatics, and that, gold is a pretty essential part of the numismatic hobby, and, one of the ways it was mined was through, miners finding gold nuggets. I've been a collector of gold nuggets for a number of years. This is just some of the pieces that I like. I guess I'll start with this one. This one is a 34.6 gram Montana nugget. Has a nice mix of kind of dirty white quartz and a little bit of rose quartz mixed in with the gold. Not particularly water tumbled or anything like that. A lot of nuggets you'll see are very water worn and bright around the edges. This one's a little bit rougher. This is a really cool piece. For those of you wondering, a troy ounce has 31.8 grams in it. So this piece is a little over an ounce, and probably 28 grams of that is actual gold. This is a 21.8 gram nugget from Jackson, California. Again, it has a little bit of quartz mixed in, but this one's mostly gold. It has some nice crystalline structure to it. Very sparkly nugget. Once again, this one isn't particularly water-worn. Here's a Montana nugget that is a little bit more water-worn. Just a little bit smoothed over around the edges. This one doesn't have as much character as some of the other ones I have showed you, and I'm going to show you, but it's still a neat little piece. This one is, trying to remember, I think it's 15.8 grams, something like that, so about half an ounce. This is a mostly quartz specimen with some nice gold kind of marbled into it, but really nice white grayish quartz with really sparkly bright yellow gold mixed in. This is typical of Australia gold quartz. Really pretty. What a lot of people do is put this type of thing in a rock tumbler and then polish it, and it makes a really nicely finished gemstone-like object. This little piece only weighs something like 6 grams, but most of that is quartz. For those of you wondering, quartz weighs between 7, 8, 9 times, or 9 times less, or I should say the gold weighs 7 to 9 times more than the quartz does. This is a 14.3 gram nugget. This one's Australian, bright yellowy gold with just a touch of quartz mixed in. Another really just kind of nice, sparkly, pretty piece. And this last one is just really cool. This is a 130 gram gold quartz specimen. And the gold just kind of sits right on top of it and just kind of shoots out. Really bright, yellowy gold with a few tiny little copper spots looking like things, and then nice white quartz. This one I really like. You can see how the gold just shoots right out of the quartz. Really attractive. Cool piece. So that's my gold nugget collection. I've had some bigger ones over the years. The biggest one I ever owned was 3.6 ounces, but I sold that a while ago. And that was a really nice water-worn piece. Once they get up to be that size, they make really good kind of nuggets just to hold in your hand and just feel the weight and really just appreciate the majesty of the gold's weight and allure and look.